In this video, you understand how to use the student dashboard. So you create an account easily, click on register, create an account. Here you have to sign in with your email address. Is the first name, your last name, your email address. Then you put in your password. So if you are not creating an account, you can easily log in. But to create an account for the first time user, you have to do this. Then you put in the password, you put it 2 times. If you have a referral code, you can place in your referral code here. That's if someone gave you a referral code. So you will see referral code in your dashboard. Every student has their referral codes. Now you can easily see that. So account is created. Let's log in now. Now you put your email, then the password that you have. Then you click on login. Wait for some few seconds, then the dashboard will be loaded. Here is a new account. Then you can see you don't have any course yet, but there are list of available courses where you can see under courses. These are the list of available courses. Now you can actually enroll into any course of your choice. Then you make the minimum required payment to be able to enroll. Now look at your dashboard. You don't have any course, you don't have any section yet, everything is 0. You can go to your profile now. When you click on under the avatar here, you see your profile. Now you can be able to see manage accounts and then other things there, wallet management and other management that are there. So under manage account, there's many things you can do there. One of the first things you can do is to be able to change your password if you want. You can see security and privacy. You can see where you verify your email. Verification of email is very important because if you don't verify your email, you cannot take a course. So you have to verify your email. Just click on verification. It's going to give you a send OTP to your email address, placing the OTP, and your email is verified. You can change your password and do other things here. You can also choose your login preferences. You can start to log in with your biometric, maybe a fingerprint or whatever it is. So there are so many things you can do in this manage account, and you can scroll and then see the list of things you can do. Even to FA, two-factor authentication, so many things. Just go around it and play around it. The next thing we want to look at now is the theme. You can just change the appearance of your dashboard by changing the color from white to dark theme, which is fine if you want a dark mode. So on that theme, you can decide to change the color, system color, light or dark mode. Just play around. There's so many things you can easily do on the profile. Now, next thing we want to look at now is the wallet management. How can we manage wallets? So if you go back now, you see that you can be able to add funds to your wallet, and then you can be able to top up a wallet very easily. Now we can look at referral management. How do we manage our referrals? You can see from your screen that everyone has his referral code. So what you need to do now is to share your referral code with anyone. Once you share a referral code with someone, the person signs up with their referral code, is tracked to your account, so you can see it under referrals that this person is actually referred by you. Now, the next thing is the person needs to actually buy a course for you to enjoy the referral. So when the person buys a course, a percentage of that course money goes to you. So here we have 10%, depending on what is said, 10% of the course money goes to your wallet. So you can use that money in your wallet to be able to purchase another course. It depends on how much it has been aggregated to. So you need to keep referring people. The more you refer people, the more your wallet grows. And once the wallet grows enough, you can be able to use it to buy a course on the platform. So that's one way you can be able to get free courses by referring more and more people. So that you can actually now see more things. So as a student, you can enroll in any of the courses. To enroll, you click on enroll. Once you click on enroll, you are able to see a detail of what the course is all about. Then the course content, you can just see an overview. Now you can choose whether to just do a free trial or to pay full access. To pay full access, you just click on pay full access. Then you see what the course fee is all about. If you have a promo code, you can add it. If you don't have any promo code, you just make payment. And once you make payment, you can have access to your course. But before you can be able to access your course, you need to be able to register, verify your email. So when you try to register your course, it'll ask you to verify your email. Once your email is verified, you can now be able to register for a course. The next thing here you want to do is to check. You can see we have 0000 here because we've not had any course and we've not done anything yet. But now once you start having a course, you start seeing everything start updating. Now the other things you can see, you can also see the live, in case you have live classes, you can see upcoming live classes there.